you got to be okay with losing. Like, the mentality is expect to win, but be okay with losing. And Kevin and I were sort of laughing, saying, if we win this case, like TTLA needs to build statues of us. So we're, like we're waiting on that on you. A little bit of arrogance can be productive. If you're really like, oh, I want to take something really bad and make it good. And I want to see if I can do it, challenging myself. And you got people of like minds like Kevin, like that's the way you got to see it. Like a case like that, you're going in there to the courtroom and you're like, what? We were so carefree. Think about it from the defense attorney's perspective. I mean, they're the ones behind the eight ball. If we lose, okay, well, everyone expected that.
Right.
And there's not really any pressure. Like I said, you got to expect to win, but be okay with losing. It's and this is the stuff that can't remember what's Brad Pitt's character in Fight Club. Tyler Durden. He says, it's only that when we've lost everything that we're free to do anything.
Please.
First, you have to give up. First, you have to know, not fear, know that someday you're gonna die. It's only after we've lost everything that we're free to do anything.
That's as best a quote as I can think of when I think about this mentality, but it's like a confidence that comes from not really having anything to lose, like a Spartan or a Viking going into war, like wanting to die. That's what you got to do. And so when we walked into the courtroom that day, Kevin and I were laughing. We're like, oh, here it goes. And defense counsel, they were like sort of pissed they had to be there, sort of confused why any attorney decided to take this case, let alone two different law firms in the same one. And it gave us that certain ethos